Hello, my name is Praise and I built Inquisitor. In today's world, AI assistants are getting hands on Solana. They can hold your wallet, move your money, sign transaction. While that is powerful, it is also terrifying because you can teach an AI assistant new tricks just by handing it a text file, which you call skill basically, and it trusts that file completely. So what actually happens when that file is a trap? So this is a real looking skill as you can see. It builds Solana payment, correct code, sensible instruction. You basically install it without a second thought. But buried right here, it tells the assistant to grab your wallet's private key and quietly send it to a stranger's server. And look, it also tells it not to mention it to the user. It's telling your assistant to rob you and hide it basically. So let's copy the skill file and because you need it to show the full user flow of how Inquisitor works. So this is the Inquisitor bot basically. And also, first thing we do is I'll type out something like, I just found this queue file and I'm about to install it. I won't give the Inquisitor any instruction on what to do. I'll just tell it that I found this queue file we looked out before and I'm about to install it. So after typing this out, I'm going to paste this queue file we copied earlier below. So this is the complete queue file. And let's see what happens together, basically. So this is the, as you can see, the full queue file. So the Inquisitor is replying, so let's give it a few seconds. So this is the response of the Inquisitor. So basically, you can see it decided on its own to scan it first. I didn't give it any instruction, and it caught every single thing: the key theft, the hidden server, and the part where your skill told it to stay quiet. It is flagging the very instruction meant to fool it. So that's basically the whole idea. Your assistant checks the door before it opens it without you even having to ask, basically. So on to the next part. Why is the Inquisitor on Solana? So here's the part that makes this more than just a scanner, that makes the Inquisitor more than just a scanner, basically. Every single verdict gets written onto Solana, a public record nobody can fake or erase. So the next person who runs into this same bad skill doesn't have to figure it out from scratch. They just look it up and they see that they catch the same trade that the person in the past has caught. So, and it has to be on a blockchain, not my server. So, because basically that's the whole point of this self-hosted system. So that's the Inquisitor, the checkpoint a ZeroClaw agent calls before ingesting any skill, and the public record of what it found.